Right, we need to continue our discussion here. So, question 46 here. Assignment 2. A stone is thrown vertically upward with speed of 24. So, how fast is it moving when it is like okay? So the first step, as usual, try and make a description. So you thrown here just stone, just the ground, yeah. The initial speed is 24, right here. And the question is how fast is it moving when it is at the height of 13, yeah. Put the speed at this point, or the speed at this point, yeah. So this is vertical movement, so we refer to y-axis. So y-axis. So if we have x minus xo, we convert to y minus yo, vot minus half g square, yeah. Y minus because it is vertical movement, so yeah, so it should be minus. So the move tends to be slower, right? Okay, it's better you check first what the maximum height from this initial speed. Yeah, we have the value of initial speed, and try use this equation. V square equal to VO minus 2 gravity H, yeah. And then at the maximum point, maximum velocity 0, yeah. This maximum point, yeah. So this is 0 minus 24 square minus and so on. So you have the maximum height is 29.4. Well, this is the maximum height. So this is 29.4. So the question is at the height of 13. So in this position, yeah, this position. Right. Now you can use the same equation. V squared this minus VO minus 2GH, yeah. But here this velocity is our speed at 8:13, yeah, at this position, yeah. Okay, so otherwise you can make okay, we use this first, okay. Reverse, okay, and then you put here, this is say A, okay, the maximum is C, this maximum point, this is B. So what we are calculating here, this is position of B, so VB here is 24 square minus, so we have VB equal to 15.9, yeah. It should be slower, yeah, slower, yeah. 24, this is 17.9, or you can say 18, yeah, that's fine as well, yeah. Okay, next question is how much time, how much time. Okay. We have data. H, you have velocity as well, initial velocity, initial speed, and final. So we have V and we have O. So we can use this equation. V minus VO minus this is 17.8, 9.9, 24. So you have this value, yeah, 0.62. This is the answer. The time, yeah. Or We can solve this story by or using another equation. Yeah. Okay, this is illustration. This is A. Yeah. This is maximum point B. Yeah. This is B. This is C. Right. Right. Okay, we calculate already for the velocity, the same result, the same equation. Okay, how to calculate the time? We can use this equation, say in equation number 2, or we have as equation number 3. Yeah. You can also solve this by equation number 3. Number 3. Yeah. X or y minus yo. This is we determine the height. VOT minus half dt square. Yeah. Minus, because this is vertical movement, right? So this is 13, 24, t and t. So we have two value. Yeah. The first value is 0.62 and the second one is 4.73. Okay. Yeah. The first is exactly same. Even we use the different equation, but we have the same value. Yeah. 0.62. This is 0.62 as well. But the second value is different. 4.27. The question is why? What's the meaning of this second value? Right. So because this is vertical movement, so when this stone or ball move till reach this point B, and then we proceed to C. Yeah, proceed to C. At B point, the first point at B, the first unit 0.62, and then proceed till the maximum point. Yeah. What's the time? You have calculated already. Yeah, it's time. Yeah. You can calculate the time here from B to C. Yeah, the first. Yeah. From B to C. Okay, you can calculate first. Here is the first. Yeah. The maximum point, the time required is yeah. This is equation. And some is zero velocity. Initial is 24 minus 9.8t. So this is the time 2.45. This is totally time from the ground to maximum. So from B to C it should be 2.45 minus 0.62, right? So we have 1.80. So change the color first to make it clear. Yeah. So 1.83. This is time from B to C here. It means if we go from maximum point to B, it should be same, right? 1.83. So totally, so from A to C, this is A to C. A to C is 2.45, and then from C to B is 1.83. So finally, totally time is 4.28. It's exactly same. Yeah. This is the reason why we have two value. Yeah. The first value refers to the time of movement from A to B before reaching the maximum point, and the second value is 4.27. This is the second time movement after reaching the maximum point. Yeah. Okay, I'll make note here. Here, just make it clear for you. Yeah. Right. Sorry. This is before. This is before maximum. Yeah. This is after. Yeah. This is after. This is the main point. Yeah. The main different point. Yeah. Hopefully, this make it real. Yeah. Next, this is the last question. The last question: stone is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 15.5. Sorry, yeah, 15.5. 15.5. It's VO, yeah. It's about 75 here. Okay, how much does it reach the equator? Okay, so you need to calculate the time. Yeah, totally time from A to D. Yeah, from A to D. Yeah. So what's the time? Time A D, something like this. Yeah. Right. The step you need to calculate the time from A to B first. Yeah. A to B. A to B. What's the time? Yeah. VO minus GT, right? This is V is 0. VO is 15.5. Yeah. So we can calculate the time as 1.58. Yeah. This is TAB or TB. Yeah. Time to reach the maximum point, 1.58. Yeah. And then from B to D, this is free fall. Yeah, free fall mechanism, free fall. So from B to D, you need to use the same equation. Yeah. Y minus YO, this is the heats from B to D equal to VOTD plus GT square. Yeah. What's the total heats from B to D? So you need to calculate first what's the AB. Yeah, HAB. So AB equal to VO square minus 2G. This is the heat. And then total heats you need to add 12.25 to this one 75. Okay. Yeah. So you have the time. What time? 4.22. Yeah, 4.22. This is from B to D. Okay, from B to D. This is from B to okay. For total time, you need to calculate as well time A and B. B is 1 point. This is the value. So totally, as you just add, (1.22) equal to 1.5. Yeah, this is time. Yeah. Right, so totally we have 5.8 scon. Yeah, this is time needed from A B and then D. Okay, the next question is what is the speed just before hitting? Just before hitting. This equation VB VD should be equal VB plus GT. Why plus? This is because free fall, so the plus here, not minus. It's totally different with vertical movement. VB have VB already. VB is 0 because this is maximum point. You have no initial velocity. And then T should be T is time needed. Sorry. Okay, total time 4.22, which way? Okay, this is we already calculate 4.22. This is from B to D, right? B to D. Okay. Well, so total distance will be HAB and BG. AB, okay. .2587. Okay. So finally we have 99.5. Right. I think that's all we have discussed for assignment 2. I think it's quite clear for. Hopefully it's grateful for you. If you still have any difficulties and it's not clear yet in some question at some point, just let me know. We discuss in the email or in the group. Okay. Thank you for your time and your attention. Let's close by Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.